button. Please hit that notification button to get future videos. And today we are gonna cook Dollar Tree food as well as Walmart food. But my budget was $5. We're doing $5 meals all spring, all summer long. So today I'm cooking the Dollar Tree tilapia, and I'm also cooking some penne and vegetables and some roasted potatoes from Walmart. So, which was all together pretty some, but it was under $5. So let's get started. What to do it right, not to do right. So let's see. I'm gonna put this in the microwave. Okay, so what I did was I heated up the tilapia, as you guys can see. So I'm going to use some vegetable oil, 100% pure from Price Right. I don't know if you guys have one, but we have one. And also a flour. So mind you, I've never done this before. This is my first time frying fish ever. My hands are washed. I made sure I washed the pan. Whew, so we're going to turn this on. I'm going to turn this on, and these are also the ingredients that I use. Well, the food that I'm using. I might also do something like a little bit, add some more seasoning to my fish as well, because you got to make sure your fish is well seasoned. Like my cousin Christopher always tells me, make sure your food is seasoned. So I had some adobo. Adobo is the best for like any type of seasoning. Goya, the best. So come over here and season this. I don't know about y'all. Let's see. Alright. That fishy smell, oh my god. Alright, so watch me. I am going to mix this with the fish, mix the fish in the bag. So that's what we're gonna do. Y'all, I don't know if I like the smell, y'all. Ooh, I'm nervous to try this. Never had Dollar Tree fish before. That's what it looks like. Ooh, nervous. Okay. It's breaking off, like it's not sticking together. Ooh. Alright, there's one, there's two. Seasoned and all. Yo, this is my first time. I keep saying that, but it's real, because I know y'all gonna be like, oh gosh, you don't know how to fry tilapia. This is my first time, so bear with me. Be nice in the comments. Thank you. Alright, so you fry it until it's brown. You wait until it's brown. Hear it sizzling. You have to keep checking it because you want to make sure that it's done. That's what I'm doing. I'm making sure that it's done and that everything is finished. There we go. You don't want to be like too brown, because that's how you know that like you cooked it too long. So, it's another tip that my cousin gave me. Don't want to cook it too long. Feel me? Flip it again. Ooh, breaking apart here. Ooh, Jesus. Jesus, take the wheel. I'm gonna put this one over. That was the one that I told y'all was breaking a lot. That was this one right here. As you can see, it's like simmering up right now. So let me turn the knob down just a tad. So I want to make sure I flip this over. I know I keep flipping it because that's how you have to check it, just to make sure it doesn't get too brown on you. Because it's already pre-cooked from being in the microwave when you think about it, you know? Put it back over. Okay, that didn't look so bad. I think it might be done now. Alright. It might be done, yeah. Okay, so I turned the stove off. And let that simmer a little bit. Let it sit a little bit. Okay, and so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put my steamed potatoes into the microwave so it can cook. You can do it this way. You always cut the knife away from you, not towards you. So let's see how long it's supposed to be in for. 6 minutes is cook time. 6 minutes out the way. So I'll put these in for 6 minutes and let those cook. And then I'm going to put these also in the microwave for 4.5 minutes. 5 to the most. 5.5 is the bag. So I'm going to put these in my plate and I'll be back when everything is done. Not bad for dollar store fish. It's actually pretty good. Let me try this penne. I'm surprised this stuff in the bag is seasoned perfectly. Like, I'm very surprised. But I didn't really have to put no extra seasoning in it. Stuff for the fish. Okay. Okay, that's good. I honestly haven't had tilapia in so long that I forgot how it tasted. Okay, cousin, I did it. Okay, Christopher, I did it. Hey, you see this perfectly cooked fish? Look, perfectly cooked dish. Perfectly cooked. Trying to tell you. no fishy aftertaste. Cause I hate that fishy aftertaste. Woo.